this is Kim. Thanks for coming to my channel. I thought I'd come on real quick. I made a project today. I had a lot of the paper left of honey, bees, and lavender. And so I was kind of going through my YouTube and I went way back, and about 7 years ago, I did a video for a traveler's notebook. I'm sure you have seen them plenty of times, but I do have a tutorial, like I said, 7 years ago, where I show how I make the cover with laminated paper, the inserts with laminated covers, a pocket, and a dashboard type thing also. And so I made one today, and it goes super fast. So I'm going to link that video in the description box. You might want to take a look at it. These make awesome gifts. And so I made one today. I'll probably make some more because I have more paper to use anyway. And this is a paper line that you could use for anything. So I thought, well, if I have a friend who's going through a rough time, if, I don't know, you can make a vacation one. Anyway, like I said, I'll link the video. I'll show you the one I made today, but super fast. But again, I used the Honey, Bees and Lavender, which is an exclusive collection from Country Craft Creations. Okay. So these are real handy size. Make sure you don't get a glare. The paper, or excuse me, I think they call this a personal size. I'm not 100% sure, but it is 5 by 7. Do they call that a B5? I'm not sure. But it is laminated, so it's pretty durable. And I just used the paper collection. I did have some of the rub-ons, so I put Bloom and Be Happy with 2 hearts and a bee. This is a piece of the ephemera, and I found the word happiness in there, so I put that on top of this little piece of ephemera. It has an elastic closure, okay, so it's flexible. And I use the the elastic cord, and then I put on, I had some bling in my stash, okay. So when you open it, I did put a piece of ephemera on the inside. And the first one is just a notebook that has paper in it. And so I use printer paper, and I use 10 sheets, fold them in half. I have a real handy dandy cutter now, so they line up real nice. I did round the corners, so you end up with 20 sheets. I staple the paper, but I don't attach the paper to the cover so that I can take this out and keep it and put in another set of papers. So I staple the papers, but I don't attach the papers to the cover. Okay. So then after that, I have a pocket, a double pocket. And so you have room to put stickers or whatever. You can put note cards. On the back, there is an angled pocket you can store things. This is laminated too. And then I have a second insert. So Bloom and Be Happy. Added some of the ephemera. And another set of 10 papers folded in half to give me 20. Rounded the corners. And then I have a dashboard, so I sealed this closed, but love those things. So on this, you can put sticky notes on it if you want. It could just be for looks. But then the other side of the dashboard is flat, so you can put, yes, sticky notes. But I also left it open so you can put things inside. So you might want to put, like if you had note cards in there and you wanted to put some envelopes in, you could put those in here. So I left that side open. I do have some old CD, what are they, not CD, are they called CD-ROMs? Those real old clear, and they're like a pocket, and they have adhesive on them. So I might put one of those on here and just put maybe a message inside if I end up giving this to someone. So you can add paper clips, decorative paper clips at the top, ribbons, all sorts of things. But you have every little thing you need right here in one little notebook. And it stays nice and neat, and it's fast, and people love them. You can decorate them a ton or not very much. Let the paper do the decorating. So I thought I would just come on and show you that real quick. Sometimes you forget what you've done in the past, and so it's kind of fun going back through my YouTube to find out down memory lane to see what I have made. All right, so go ahead, take a peek at the description box. Let me know if you have any questions. But again, this paper line is exclusive to Country Craft Creations, and it is called Honeybees and Lavender. All right, thanks everybody.